I'll be going to the UK! Hi guys! Just to update you guys, in the next few weeks, I'll be flying off to the UK in the next few weeks. So this will be my packing vlog 3 weeks before departure. It's more of finding everything that I need and organizing. I have printed out a checklist here for what to bring to UK this September. I'm traveling during the pandemic COVID period as well. It's quite bad here in Malaysia. It's like 20,000. Have we hit 20,000? About 19 to 20,000. In this document, I have my list of travel documents that I need to bring. The kitchen stuff, electronics, a whole section for clothing, toiletries, housekeeping. As you can see, I have my luggage there. I haven't put the things in yet, but I'll be bringing these 2 luggages. There are 2 big ones and 1 carry-on. Hi! We have all of these coats and we're gonna sort through them. I have about 4, 5, 8, 9 ginormous coats that I'm gonna have to sort through. We're gonna have to figure out which one I should bring. This is the first one. Twice I think to school, and everyone was staring because we're in a hot country, but I'm wearing this ginormous outerwear jacket. See, it's super long. It goes until my feet and I love the shape of it. It's so like drapey. Do you see this? I'm not bringing this because of the broad shoulders, but it's a pretty thick and sturdy one. This one's a tough one because I like this, but it's so similar to the other black one. It's much thinner than the previous one and it's shorter too. I mean, it's a good cardigan. I'm not sure I want to bring it. I want to bring them all. It's super cute, but compared to the green one, like the material it was made of is more woolly. The problem is that this one has a green mark there, so I can't bring this. Sad, but I guess I'll use it here in Malaysia like I usually do. I don't think I want this, even though it's really pretty. It reminds me of Beauty and the Beast, but I don't think I'm gonna wear it. We are gonna organize the sock. I put all my socks in this bucket. I have a little sock obsession. Whee! Oh, it's not. Calm down. Calm down. I'm not sure which sock to bring. There's just so many options. Wait, let me count how many I have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 10, 11, 12, 6, 7, 8, 9, 14, 54. Oh, I have 54 socks. Out of all these, I think the ones that I wear the most are this one. I wear these 2 the most. This is the Minion one and this is the Woody one. I used to wear this a lot. It's a painting. Okay, let me just check how many socks I can bring in total because I don't have that much space. 7 to 14 pairs. Hi, it's another day. It's 2:20 p.m. and today I'm just gonna continue packing, but also before that I want to plan out the outline of what to bring. I think I'm gonna start with the shoes. I've also been watching other YouTube videos on what to bring and what to pack. Wait, I gotta double check how many shoes, because people have been saying like bring 2 to 3 shoes, mostly 2 shoes, 1 for walking and 1 for running, and also flip-flops. I don't really think I have that cute flip-flops, so I'll buy them there. A very not so aesthetically pleasing shoe tour. Some of the shoes are here and some of them are outside. Let's just cancel out the ones that I do not wear and won't wear, which is this. Looks like ballet shoes, but I've never worn it before. This one too. Nope. I DIY'd this last time with the IKEA logo, but then I don't think I can wear this because it's tearing a bit at the top already. I'm not gonna wear this. It's too soft. This is good. Not my style anymore. This is alright. I can try it, but I think there are better ones. Then I have these boots. I have decided to bring this pair number 1, just that it needs a little or more than a little fixing over here and over here. I'm not really sure if I should just buy the shoe glue and glue it. Will that work? And the second one is this one, which is my favorite pair because it's the first shoes I've ever gotten that is like a girl's cutting because my feet is humongous. And this is the third one, which is just grey sneaker and it's high top, so that's why I like it too. The ones that didn't make the cut, this Converse flat one, thin, that's why. Little booties, but I'm planning to buy, you know, those like black grungy tall ones from UK. The next thing I will need to pack is tote bags or just bags in general. According to the general list, 1 tote bag for groceries, 1 travel bag for backpacking, and 1 school bag. This is one section behind my door is full of tote bags. I've even have this one and I have never used it before, but it has my name on it. It's just, you know. Oh, extremely hot today. These are the options of bags. How? I can only pick out maximum 4 from this pile. I will be practical about this and I will use my senses. Okay, so school bag. Can you see? This is the school bag that I have been using. It is stable, sturdy, gets the job done. But it's not very pretty looking, I would say. I really like this bag actually. It's just a good black bag. I got it for my birthday. Will I wear? I'll be going to school and then out. Yeah, I don't think I'll use this either way, so I won't be bringing it. Next, it hasn't even been used before. From Typo, the Formidable backpack. Maybe this could be my new laptop bag. I've never even used this. No, for real, there's like so much space in it. So this is the laptop side and the back. Let me get my laptop. Okay, I hope it can fit in. Yeah, it fits. It's heavy. I like it. The next one is... Why am I reviewing backpacks now? It's from Miniso. This is so cute. We must keep it. We must. Then the tote bags. Tote bags are hard because... Look, I like this one. Gustav Klim the Kiss, I think, if I'm not mistaken. That's the pink thing. It's very art student-y. I need help. Okay, we are gonna choose earrings. So for earrings, I will be trying them on. This is what I made for my earring collection. I made this using the leftover wood in the Fab Lab. This is the problem. How many should I choose? I should choose the ones that really resembles my personality. That's quite nice. Okay, that gets a B. Is it just me or is there actually liquid inside? No, it's just me. There's no liquid. Another one of my favorites. This one. Pair that. I will bring this tab. I made this Bratz one. Three more boxes to go. Look. They could be bracelets. I'll bring these sticky tags as well. I'm going there one day. I will be taking a well-deserved rest. Magnum, mini, almond, ice cream. There we go. Beautiful. I'm just watching some YouTube as well. So many people are having babies now. Currently looking through my jeans. Final outfit. Wow. 10 out of 10. I have been trying on so many clothes for the past 3 hours. Wow, wow, wow. It's quite clean now. I kind of organized it a bit. The keep pile. And we're back from the future. This is all the clothes I have so far. I do plan to remove a lot of them. For the shirts, for the pants, and the other items and shoes. I haven't thought of which art supplies to bring, by the way. So I have the art supplies and extra clothing materials that I have to figure out. I don't foresee myself doing much sewing since I'm leaving my sewing machine here. Sanitizer, makeup, camera, equipment, mirror, accessories, little knickknacks, Polaroid. I also want to pack this, so I'm gonna see how to fit this thing in there. Oh, and of course we have a lot of masks. So this is my 1 week progress. It is quite slow. I expected to be done with this by in about 3 days time, but apparently packing takes longer than 3 days. So I guess this is part 1 of the packing series. Probably the second part will come out 2 or 3 weeks after this is out. And there's still a lot of things to do. I have to do like my SIM card, water bottle, toothpaste, rice cooker, bank account detail, camera, laptop, charger, earphones. So yeah, I'll be documenting my journey in the UK, furthering my studies there. For the next 2 years. I do plan to film more when I'm there, but if you have any questions you want to ask on how the process is like, how's my visa, which is going really badly by the way. I've done my visa not really early on, but like if it was the normal pre-COVID season, it would be considered quite early, and the visa centers are always closed, and I still don't have my visa yet. But it'll be coming in a week-ish, hopefully. I paid for the extra for the priority service. But you guys can definitely keep updated with me if you follow my Instagram, my art Instagram, at nicoleregine with 1 E for Nicole and 2 E for Regine. Or comment down below. Okay, comment down below. Sure.